Hello, welcome everyone. Now let us have some problems based on statistics and that too based on mean. The problem is the mean of 5 observations is 15 and the mean of first 3 observations is 14 and that of the last 3 is 17. Then find the third observation. Total 5 observations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sum of mean of these 3 is given 14. Mean of these 3 is given 17. That means third observation is in both. Okay. And also you have learned that mean is equal to sum by number of observations. So mean into number of observations gives you sum. Mean into number of observations gives you the sum of observations. So this one, okay, let it be. So what is given to you is mean of 5 observations is given to us. Mean of 5 observations is equal to 15. Mean is 15. Number is 5. So sum of that implies sum of 5 observations is equal to 15 into 5. That is 75. I hope this is clear. Same way, mean of first 3 observations is equal to 14. Therefore, sum of first 3 observations is equal to same way 14 into 3, that gives you 42. And also the mean of last 3 is also given to us. Mean of last 3 observations is given as 17. Therefore, sum of last 3 observations is equal to 17 into 3, that is 51. I hope how we got why we multiplied, you understood here. Okay. If it is so, find the third observation. Already I told you, sum of these 3 is 42. Sum of these 3 is 51. When we add these two, the third observation, we are counting twice. So from this sum of these two, if we subtract the sum of 5 observations, we get the third observation. So third observation is equal to 42 plus 51 minus 75. I hope this is clear to you, because 42 plus 51 means sum of these 3, 51 is sum of these 3, third term is added 2 times. So from that sum of all the terms if we subtract, we get the third term. 42, this one will get 93 minus 75. 13 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. The question is find the third observation. Therefore, the third observation is 18. Okay. Now let us have one more problem. So your next problem is the mean of 8 variates is 10.5. If 7 of them are 3, 15, 7, 19, 2, 17 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find the 8th variate. Very simple. Mean of 8 variates is given to us. We can find the sum of 8 variates by multiplying this by 8. So sum of 8 variates we get. And when we add these all, we get sum of 7 variates. So 8th variates is sum of 8 variates minus sum of 7 variates. Very simple question. Mean of 8 variates is equal to 10.5. Therefore, sum of 8 variates is equal to 10.5 into 8. 8 5s are 40, 0. 8 zeros are 0 plus 4. 8 1s are 8. That is 84. And what is given? 7 variates are given to you. So sum of 7 variates is equal to 3 plus 15 plus 7 plus 19 plus 2 plus 17 plus 8. Let us add 17, 8, 25, 27, 36, 46, 53, 58, 68, 3, 71. So sum of 8 variates we got 84 and sum of 7 variates we got 71. Therefore 8th variate is sum of 8 variates that is 84 minus sum of 7 variates that is 71, that gives you 13. Find the 8th variate. Therefore 8th variate is 13. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.